Hello, I'm Brian McDonald, Superintendent of the Pasadena Unified School District. Since the school year started on August 17, our teachers and staff have welcomed students and learning has begun in a remote or virtual environment. As we anticipated, this has been a time of adjustment. We have embarked on several new systems for the first time. I want to especially thank our teachers and site administrators for their endurance and resilience as they work to master new learning tools. We've had challenges with technology that has affected many of our students, teachers, and staff. We know that you are relying on us during this very challenging time, and that this has been very difficult for many of you. I want to extend our apologies for not being able to serve your needs more quickly. Our team has been working around the clock to resolve any issues. We're committed to getting it right so that our students can engage in meaningful learning. To resolve issues, we have increased our ITS help desk hours, added training and how-to videos and information on our website, increased the frequency of Tech Bites, our ITS newsletter to students and staff, worked with our service providers to correct issues that have arisen because of increased demand, instructed schools and teachers to be mindful about attendance because some students may have trouble logging into class. Our teachers, school, and district staff are reaching out personally to students to overcome any obstacles to logging on. We know that the start of the school year has been challenging, and despite the myriad issues, our focus remains the same: to provide a caring, engaging, and challenging educational experience for every student, every day. I want to thank you for your flexibility and patience as we work through these first weeks of school. In terms of the continuing COVID-19 pandemic, we are closely monitoring developments in Los Angeles County, the state, and the country as schools in other parts of California begin to return to a form of in-person learning. Our first priority since the start of the pandemic has been and remains firmly centered on the long-term safety of our students, teachers, and staff. Given the fluctuations in COVID-19 rates, we are not currently considering applying for waivers to physically reopen schools. We want to make sure that schools are physically ready to welcome students and teachers. We also want to make sure that they have what they need so that learning is not disrupted during what will be a major transition to hybrid learning. Any decision to return to hybrid or in-person learning will be made in consultation with local and state public health agencies, parents, and our labor partners. We will continue to monitor and reevaluate our plans in this ever-changing situation. Thank you, stay healthy, and stay safe.